Welcome to the world of ancient Egypt where everyday life was filled with traditions and culinary wonders. Today, we invite you to discover the fascinating story of ancient Egyptian bread, an essential staple that sustained this magnificent civilization. Bread held a significant role in the lives of the ancient Egyptians. It was a symbol of sustenance and provided essential nutrients to fuel their daily activities. But what made their bread so unique? Ancient Egyptians used a variety of grains, primarily wheat and barley, to make their bread. The grain was ground into flour using stone mills, ensuring a fine texture suitable for baking. Once the flour was ready, it was mixed with water and sometimes yeast to create the dough. The dough was then shaped and placed on a flat, heated surface, often made of clay or stone. After patiently waiting for the bread to rise and bake to perfection, the final result emerged, a delicious, aromatic loaf with a golden crust. Ancient Egyptian bread was enjoyed by people from all walks of life, from the pharaohs to the common people. It was often eaten with honey, fruits, or alongside other dishes. Today, we can still get a taste of ancient Egypt by enjoying traditional Egyptian bread. Whether you're savoring it for its historical significance or simply indulging in its delightful flavors, the legacy of ancient Egyptian bread lives on.